What's up, kitchen gamblers? Today I'm sharing something truly special. This recipe is a flavor bomb, rich, creamy, and smoky. If you think pasta is all about tomato or Alfredo sauce, wait till you try this. But before that, let's go grab some ingredients. Let's make it. Start by taking one red bell pepper, roughly chop it. Make sure to remove the white bits for a cleaner taste. Now in a sizzling pan, drizzle some olive oil and lay down strips of beef bacon or turkey bacon. Let it sizzle, let it crisp, and once it's cooked to perfection, set it aside. Into a blender goes our chopped red pepper, about 30 grams of sun-dried tomatoes, 3 to 4 fresh basil leaves, and our crispy bacon pieces. Drizzle in 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Blend this until it forms a smooth rich paste. Just look at that color. Wow, this is the secret flavor base that sets this pasta apart. Now let's build our sauce. In a pan, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, add 3 to 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic, let it release that aroma, then toss in 1 diced onion. Stir until it turns lightly golden. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour and stir quickly. This will help our sauce thicken beautifully. Slowly add half a cup of milk, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. As the sauce begins to thicken, season it with oregano, black pepper, chili flakes, and a chicken cube or chicken powder for that deep umami flavor. Let this simmer for 2 minutes and then stir in some fresh cream and salt. And now for the magic moment. Add in your blended mixture of pepper, sun-dried tomato, basil and bacon. Stir everything together until you get a rich, velvety sauce that looks absolutely irresistible. Meanwhile, cook your pasta in a salted boiling water, but remember, never overcook it. We want that perfect al dente bite. Once it's done, transfer the pasta straight into the sauce along with a spoonful of starchy pasta water. Pasta water helps the sauce cling to every strand. Toss it well. Let the flavors marry together, and now comes the final touch. Grate in some fresh Parmesan cheese, add a few more basil leaves and give everything one last toss. Trust me, the aroma is unbelievable at this stage. Creamy, smoky, herby, all in one. Plate it up, then garnish with crushed bacon bits, sun-dried tomatoes, a sprinkle of parmesan, and of course fresh basil. And there it is, pasta creamy perfection with a smoky twist. So next time when you're craving pasta, skip the same old recipes and try this one instead. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.